So guys, what you're seeing on the screen right now are product images, promotional posters, and social media graphics, all made today, not by a designer, not in Photoshop, not even with templates. Every single one of these was generated fully by AI with one prompt and one product photo. And in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact tools and workflow driving this process so that you can do exactly this yourself, whether you're running your own business, you're creating content, you're selling products, you run an agency, or for any reason you need professional visuals fast without dealing with the learning curve. This is CapCut AI Design, really cool platform, a lot of cool tools, and a lot for us to dive into. Let's go. So the CapCut AI Design is a feature inside the overall CapCut web platform, which is used at this point by over 1 billion people. That is insane for a creative tool, like 1 billion people. And AI Design is basically an all-in-one AI design agent. So the overall process here, you're gonna see this visually in a second, is upload a photo of your product or some kind of reference image, type in a prompt asking for what it is that you want, and then just let the agent create that set of designs for you. And this works for pretty much anything visual. You're talking product images, I think, especially ads, campaign posters, social media graphics, again, just anything visual. What's also cool about this update specifically is that the model in part can work with preset templates and kind of intent prediction. So you don't need to be a prompt engineer anymore. For example, if you type professional Amazon product image, it knows what that means because it's been trained on what that means kind of template wise on the back end. Also, it's now a lot better at editing, so you can conversationally edit photos. You can say, make that text bigger, change this background to blue, and everything about the image will stay the same except just that edit that you want and you can make with a natural language prompt. And then third, this is part of that shift to full-on AI editing and creative platforms. There are utility tools built in. That includes background removal, batch resizing for multiple platforms, erasing objects and auto layout. And so that's all in one place within the workflow. And so we're gonna get into my computer now. Now, if you wanna follow along and learn with me while I'm doing what I'm about to do on the screen, then good news is you can do all of that completely for free. So for you to learn better, go to this link on the screen or the link in the description. And you do get limited free access, so you can create a free account, you can follow along and learn the platform as I do it over the next few minutes. In that in mind, let's get into demo number 1. Okay guys, so here we are inside the CapCut dashboard. This is at the URL capcut.com. And I don't need to tell you anything about the interface. It's extremely intuitive and user-friendly. And there's a lot in here that we're not going to cover today, whether voice or video. And what I do want to jump into to start us off here for demo number 1 is Design Studio. And within Design Studio, for this first demo, I want to just show you the lowest hanging fruit with AI. And that is going to be building off the templates within the CapCut Design Studio. So what I'm scrolling through now, these are all templates that AI can merge or fit to your business or service or products. So just like a system you're used to where you can replace certain elements, certain visuals with your own, this is that, but powered by AI. So it's intelligent. It can do the little things to really make it fit. For example, let's go ahead and run with this. What I'm going to do is press on it. And these right here are the key AI features. So you can replace text, you can replace subjects, or you can replace a color theme. And I want to show you a few of those. And first, let's say you run a coffee shop, right? You want to design the visuals for your shop in CapCut. Instead of tea, let's just say coffee, right? That's about as simple as a change as we can make. So we're going to keep everything static about this. And then let me add coffee as the big text. And let's say your place is called Sunset Coffee as the tag in the top right, established 2026. So we're going to change the corner text and the big text as well. Let's go ahead and see what that does. Okay, and here's the result. We can see the same exact image with Sunset Coffee, established 2026, and then coffee in the top. Now I want to jump back to this image. I'm going to click change color theme instead. Now you can do this in the conversational editor as well. I'm just going to go ahead and say sunset, orange, and or red combo. And let's just see what that looks like. And if you're doing this properly for your business, you want to converge these multiple elements, right? The logo, the color theme, text, and you can do all of that, if not through the templates, if by just talking to the AI AI in this little conversational chat. And there we go. It's done. We can see this sunset style theme. Otherwise, every element of this image is the same. And then for the final little template showcase here, I'm going to go ahead and save this image of a hoodie. Then we're going to find a different template that fits, let's say this one right here. And then I'll say, replace the subject in image 1, so this bag, with this hoodie image, which I'll upload. So keep all the style, composition, background the same, and then we'll just replace it with the hoodie. Let's see how well it can do that. And there you go. It changed nothing else except the subject like we wanted it to. It removed the background. I mean, that is stunning. And that is exactly what you could do by just swapping in an image of your product, your service, you, maybe if you're a creator, to any of these templates right here. And that all in all wraps up demo number 1. So now what I want to do is shift to a more promotional lens, right? Let's say you have some product photos for your product or service. What's the next step? It is graphics or visuals that promote said product. So right here, I have an example of a poster, a Black Friday poster that I like. So I'm going to stay in this chat. I'm going to upload this image as a reference, and then I'm going to say this: replicate the style, layout, and elements of the reference image, but use my product. I'll add this skincare bottle instead. Keep the same energy and typography treatment. So what this means is, for this next stage, you can take any style you like for an ad, for example, for Google ads, Facebook ads, for a visual for social media, for a carousel, for a menu, who knows, for your restaurant. Let's go ahead and see what it can do here for demo number 2. Okay, and we can see here that it kept the same kind of glossy style. It stuck our product right in, and there we go. But we have conversational editing. We're not going to stop there. There's a few editing techniques you can use, right? You can actually go in and edit here. What I'm just going to do is say add up to 50% off as bold discount. And the idea here is, again, you don't need the previous tools or the manual workload that went into this stuff. You just need to talk to your agent, and nearly everything that you need to get done as a professional, you can get done in 3 minutes, and we can see the addition up to 50% off right here in the same visual style as the original image. Now, I also find one of the most time-consuming things personally as an advertiser, for example, is resizing images and making them continue to look nice across many different formats or platforms. But we have AI. So what we're going to do here for demo number 3, I want to show you how you can resize any existing visual elements for your business or work. So what I'm going to say is, in this same chat, resize this image into multiple dimensions for different platforms, and then I list the required aspect ratios. Let's go ahead and see what it can do there. Okay, so here we can see version number 1. This is version number 2, version number 3, version number 4, and number 5. Now, something I also want to double click on here is a brand kit. If you press on that, you can upload things like a brand logo or a brand color set if you want those to be present in every single image. And that's easier than uploading them, say, in every new chat that you start. So those are the main demos that I wanted to cover in a product or a promotional sense. And that didn't take forever. That took what, 5-10 minutes of your time. And that's because these things are so easy now that you don't need 30 minutes. You don't need a very technical demo. You just talk to the thing and it gives you back exactly what you need. I would say the last domain that AI agents like this, like CapCuts, have not cracked yet, that's going to be things which are vectorized, which are 3D, which are intricate. For example, let's say you have a digital twin of some hardware thing you're building and you want, spec perfect blueprints. AI is not there yet, but for 99% of the white collar visual work that's out there that I know you guys are doing as advertisers, marketers, business owners, you need to be using AI for this stuff. You're just making your life harder if you don't. Now, the one thing, speaking of realism, that I haven't shown yet is how AI design on CapCut read people. And so I want to show you the realism there as well. So let's say, now let's go back and create another product with a woman smiling and holding the product, and she needs to look very realistic. And so here's just that completely one-shotted, right? You can see this woman looks very realistic. This is not the AI gloss kind of feel that you would get if you went and hired a model in a studio. This is literally exactly what it would look like. And there you have it. That is CapCut AI design. And so to bring it all together at this point, especially as we go from point generation to full-on platforms, you need to be on or connected to at least one platform like this that lets you generate at scale, that lets you edit, that lets you engage engage with a true agent or agentic creative AI partner. This is the future of design, of media. And so get on the train and we'll go for a productivity ride. Again, you can do everything that you saw in this video completely free. Just go to the link in the description and you get limited free access to the CapCut AI design platform. That in mind, I appreciate y'all being here. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.